Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw one of the new Pokemon, Oinkologne. So I think this Pokemon is super cute, I love the name, and let's just get started. So I'm going to start drawing Oinkologne with the nose. We're going to do a triangle shaped nose, but it's going to be kind of a soft triangle. See how each point of the triangle is kind of rounded? And now we can do the inside of the nose, two great big ovals. We can color those in all dark. So next, a little ways over this way, I'm going to start with an ear. And this is going to be kind of a triangle shape as well. Like that. And now I'm going to work on an eye. So we're coming on down, across, and coming on up. Now I'm going to come on over this way. And underneath the eye, I'm going to do a rounded shape like that. And do almost like two little leaf shapes, really. Like that. Now the inside of the eye, and come on up and do another line and a little circle here, and the inside, this part here, I'm going to color in all dark. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, we can do the other eye. So this one is going to be a little bit kind of on the side, so it's not going to look exactly like this one because it's on the side of the face. But we're going to start here from the nose and come on up a bit and then curve, and then I'm going to come on over right here and come on over a little bit more like that, and then do the bottom part. That part I said reminded me of like two little leaves. And then a little line, a little circle, and then a little dark part in the middle. Now this top part here we can thicken up, and over here we can thicken it up on this side too. Just make it like a lot darker. Just kind of a heavy dark line. So now the top of the eye, I'm going to curve like that, connect it to that ear, and let's do the other ear. So it's going to be a long curved line coming out past the nose, and then we'll bring it up like that. And right here, the bottom of this eye, we're going to do a little bit of a cheek, and then come on in under the nose like that. Over here on this side, start doing a line coming this way. And here where we stopped with this line, gonna curve and meet up to right here. So this is just going to be where one color of Oinkologne meets up with another color. And I'm going to do a little line right here and over here as well. So now I'm going to do a little line right here, and this line here is going to be pretty curved. This is Oinkologne's behind. Curve, and now right here, and come on down, this is going to be one of the front legs, and do a line right here, and another line for the other part of the front leg, and we're going to do a little V shape, and then we'll have like two toes, and we'll do the same over here. Bring down a leg, do a little V shape, bring up a line, and then have two little toes. And now the back leg, we can do a little bit of a curve and bring this line down, do a V shape. And then those two little toes for the hooves. And then the other leg we won't see because it's kind of in behind. But now we can start on the tail, so it's very curly tail. So we'll come up with these two little lines here. And now a curve like this. And follow that curve with another line. And this curve is going to connect to that line. And so will this one. Now this part of the tail is going to come on up a bit further. And now it's going to get wider. And now it's going to branch off into like 3 strokes. So 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put a line there, there, and there. And there we have it. We're done our drawing, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, so we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for our next doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.